Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's over the lightning round. That's why the play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Keith, Daddy, time for the lightning round. Let's start with Michael in Arizona. Michael.
Hey, Jim. First-time caller, long-time listener.
Well, I love that. What's up there, Michael?
Well, I'm an early club member, too. And you've been my honorary CFO for many years.
Oh, geez. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Michael. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my stock, I'm curious where it's heading, is Blackline.
See, Blacklines, they're losing money, and even though they may make money next year, I got to tell you, we can just not go with it. We are being very hard line about this. The market's too hard for that. I need to go to Peter in Texas. Peter!
Hey, Jim, first-time caller, long-time listener.
First-time, long-time.
Yeah, first, what do you think as a long-term hold for a retirement portfolio? What do you think of Enbridge?
Oh, that is exactly what you should be buying. And we've had them on a number of times. The yield's terrific, and the company's got growth. You can't beat that combination. John in my home state of New Jersey. John!
John, Mr. Cramer, thank you very much for taking my call.
My pleasure.
I want to first say personally, from the heart, that the episode you did years ago on 9/11 and the World Trade Center was some of your best work. And it was greatly appreciated by the people out here.
Oh, thank you.
So,
thank you for saying we worked hard on that one. Thank you. That means a lot.
Yes, you did.
Thank you very much.
The company I'm calling about today is Axogen.
It's a very, they're trying to do stuff. I'm actually, unfortunately familiar with the work. And it's medical device, and I think you have to stick with tried and true. The best medical device company has to be buried within Johnson & Johnson, and that's the one I'd like to buy. Anthony in Maryland. Anthony.
Mr. Cramer, booyah from the home of King Crabs and Old Bay.
There I go. I like both. What's up? Phillips.
Yeah, my question is about MetLife. Ticker symbol MET.
Oh, it's so cheap. It's got a 3% yield. It's incredibly cheap. I'm going to have to say yes to that, even as I'm not a great friend of the insurers because they've been so tough. That is too cheap a stock. I happen to like Chubb best. Let's go to Brian in Massachusetts. Brian.
What's up, my man? Big booyah from the B-Town.
Well, I'm loving that. Hey, listen, you got a tough series. You can still win. What's up?
I ain't giving up hope. We got this. Don't worry. I'm saying it's season 5. Anyways, I got the stock BRDG.
Yeah. Okay. So that's real estate that we don't really know what they do. And whenever I get in these real estate companies that I don't know what to do, I always say pass because there's too much room for error. Let's go to William in Missouri. William.
Yeah. Hey, how you doing, Jim? It's a big booyah to you.
All right. What's up?
Okay, I'm a long-time listener to you. Hope to meet you one day. But the one I'm watching the most is FTCH, FARFETCH.
Oh, so tough. I mean, when we got an outfit like Target that's struggling, how are we going to do with FARFETCH? I say buy Target down here. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.